Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're not going to be working on the Jeep or working on the trailer. Just kind of going for a little drive right now. I had to go to the hardware store, but I kind of just wanted to dive in on to why I drove or why I drive a Jeep now specifically. So yeah, I just wanted to touch in on a couple of those subjects. Number one would have to be my best friend, Keith, from back in the day. 3 or 4 years ago, he sold his truck to buy a Jeep. And then a 4-inch lift, 35s, front and rear locking diffs, all the bells and whistles, you name it, he had it, I wanted it, right? So I sold my I sold my truck to buy this Jeep now. It was stock at the time, rear LSD, 31-inch tires. That was pretty much about it. So ever since then, I've been slowly building it up, buying parts for it here and there, to get it to where it is today. Number two would have to be the community itself. Ever since I've bought my Jeep, the Jeep community has been amazing. From lending a hand, the knowledge, they will come to your door on their day off and bring their own tools to help you wrench on your Jeep. And if that's not amazing, then I don't know what is. Number three would have to be how easily accessible parts are to find, from 4x4 shops in your community to 4x4 shops online. Even Amazon has the odd good part now and then. Like, I wouldn't buy everything on Amazon because you do get what you pay for, but Amazon for the odd part, I would say there's nothing wrong with that at all. Number four would have to be just the heritage behind Jeep itself. Since 1941, correct me if I'm wrong, since World War II, well, since the middle of World War II, Jeep has been a pinnacle in the off-road 4x4 community. It has always been ranked top of its class. I personally have nothing bad to say about Jeep whatsoever. I know other people have other favorite brands, Land Rover, and things like that, but to me, I'm in a Jeep and that's where I'm at right now. And the fifth and final thing that I could think of would just have to be the overall feel of driving a Jeep. It drives like nothing I've ever driven before. The handle of it, there's nothing. It's really hard to. Number five is a touchy subject. I got another Jeep coming up right here. Let's see if he gives me a wave. And he gave me a wave. What's up, buddy? Yeah. All right. So number five, just the way it feels. That right there, like, put a huge smile on my face, and I'm sure it put a smile on his face. I don't know. There's nothing like driving a Jeep. Like, and I know my Jeep people out there will totally understand where I'm coming from right now, but there's nothing compared to it. But that's where I'm at. Those were the first quick five that came to my head, and I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm sure you have another 5 reasons to why you drive what you drive. So if they're different than mine, drop them down in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update video, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. Hopefully it's sooner than the last. I know I've been slacking on videos lately. Just trying to find the motivation to get out there and record it. I have a list of videos that I want to record this year. Like, it's a list. But yeah, it just takes time and the motivation. I need to find it. So until then, guys, until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.